Are you ready for the Canadian Citizenship Test? Let's find out. On this channel, you'll find everything you need to pass on your first try. In this video, you'll get 20 multiple choice questions, just like the real exam. Pause, answer, and keep track of your score. At the end, let us know in the comments how many you got right. Ready? Let's start your practice test. Question: what is the primary role of the police in Canada? A. To resolve disputes and interpret law. B. To keep people safe and enforce the law. C. To provide national security intelligence. D. To conduct military operations. Correct answer: B. To keep people safe and enforce the law. Question: what was the name of the new country formed at Confederation? A. Britain. B. Canada. C. Canadian Confederation. D. Dominion of Canada. Correct answer: D. Dominion of Canada. Question: what does Canada's motto, Amari usque ad mare, mean? A. From air to land. B. From sea to land. C. From land to sea. D. From sea to sea. Correct answer: D. From sea to sea. Question: why are the Great Lakes important to Canada? A. Provide irrigation water. B. Provide fresh water and waterways. C. Provide transportation only. D. Tourist attractions. Correct answer: B. Provide fresh water and waterways. Question: how can you contact your Member of Parliament? A. Social media. B. Writing to the House of Commons. C. Phone appointment. D. Waiting outside Parliament. Correct answer: B. Writing to the House of Commons. Question: how are members of Parliament chosen? A. Elected by senators. B. Elected by the Prime Minister. C. Chosen by the King. D. Elected by Canadian citizens. Correct answer: D. Elected by Canadian citizens. Question: why is the North called the land of the midnight sun? A. Closer to the sun. B. Northern lights appear at midnight. C. Mostly night. D. Summer daylight can last 24 hours. Correct answer: D. Summer daylight can last 24 hours. Question: which of the following is not a responsibility of Canadian citizens? A. Learning to speak both official languages. B. Voting in elections. C. Obeying the law. D. Taking responsibility for oneself and one's family. Correct answer: A. Learning to speak both official languages. Question: which of the following is not a responsibility of the Governor General? A. Choosing the opposition party. B. Performing ceremonial duties. C. Signing bills into law. D. Representing the Crown. Correct answer: A. Choosing the opposition party. Question: which of the following is the federal government responsible for? A. Highways. B. Natural resources. C. Education. D. Interprovincial trade and communications. Correct answer: D. Interprovincial trade and communications. Question: what is the name of the royal anthem of Canada? A. Great Canada. B. O Canada. C. God Save the Queen or King. D. O Canada. Correct answer: C. God Save the Queen or King. Question: Canada's national winter sport is A. Lacrosse. B. Basketball. C. Hockey. D. Golf. Correct answer: C. Hockey. Question. Which of the following are responsibilities of Canadian citizens? A. Protect the environment and vote. B. Work in government and serve in the Army. C. Serve in the Army and obey the law. D. Obey the law, serve on a jury, vote, and help in the community. Correct answer D. Obey the law, serve on a jury, vote, and help in the community. Question. What does the National Register of Electors contain? A. Database of landed immigrants. B. Database of Canadian citizens at least 18 years old qualified to vote. C. Database of all Canadian citizens. D. Database of Canadian taxpayers. Correct answer B. Database of Canadian citizens at least 18 years old qualified to vote. Question. What was the significance of the War of 1812? A. Canada joined USA. B. Heavy losses. C. Canada protected independence. D. Canada became independent. Correct answer. C. Canada protected independence. Question. Where is Canada located? A. Central America. B. Europe. C. North America. D. South America. Correct answer C. North America. Question. What is a polling station? A. A place where you vote. B. Campaign office. C. Vote counting center. D. MP office. Correct answer A. A place where you vote. Question. How can a party in power be defeated in Parliament? A. If there is a revolution. B. If the king orders the party to resign. C. If a majority of MPs vote against a major government decision. D. If a minority of MPs vote against a major government decision. Correct answer. C. If a majority of MPs vote against a major government decision. Question. What are the provinces of Central Canada? A. Ontario and Quebec. B. Ontario and Alberta. C. Quebec and New Brunswick. D. Alberta and Saskatchewan. Correct answer. A. Ontario and Quebec. Question. What was the Underground Railroad? A. An anti-slavery network helping slaves escape to Canada. B. A railway through the Rockies. C. A fur trade transport network. D. The first subway in Toronto. Correct answer. A. An anti-slavery network helping slaves escape to Canada. Did you pass this practice test? Share your score in the comments below and try more practice tests on our channel to improve your chances of passing on your first try.